Now, good evening, my people. Mona, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your sister Agbons TV. I beg, if today na your first time when you see you dey pass, you just see this channel, make you just click the notification bell, make you subscribe to this channel. This channel they teach you many things. They tell you what dey happen. They show you how they take they do hair, how they take they bake cake. Anything when you want bake, this channel still they teach you how they take they design cake. Nothing when this channel no they teach you. So make you subscribe to the channel. Maybe say anytime when this channel post anything, you go be the first person to see them. Today we dey here want talk about our papa when he go join creator Prophet TV Joshua. Now very good man of God. Everybody know am well. Before you see no TV Joshua, you know dey. Well, we don't know wetin happen. Na only God na go fit talk wetin happen to our papa TV Joshua. We no get right to question God, but all we owe TV Joshua na to continue dey pray for his soul, make he continue dey rest in perfect peace. Well, my condolences to the family when he leave behind. May God give the wife and the children the strength to bear the loss. Also, may God still guide and protect them, because na only one na go fit dey take care of the children, and the wife now dey protect them. Well, all the members of Synagogue Church of All Nations, I still say my condolences, so make una bear our papa loss too, because nothing body not see when he no dey bear. Make una bear our papa loss too. Well, the thing pain everybody well. Say at the way when TV Joshua take go, nobody expect am at all. We know say death na inevitable, but the thing is that this young just get that the thing be well, just come out just like that. We no hear say he's sick, we no hear say anything do TV Joshua. The next thing, TV Joshua just come out like that. Well, papa, may you continue the rest, because I know say na where you dey, so na good pass where you for come out, because I know say you sit down with God gidigba. Now they discuss because of the good things when you do for this life. I know say you go kingdom of God. Now and now we waiting the tell person 2 times. Papa, continue the guide and protect the children when you live for this world. May you continue the rest. Papa, rest in perfect peace. Abeg, as I first talk before, this channel Agbons TV, e dey tell una everything when dey happen for this world. See, they show una how they take dey bake cake, how they take dey design cake, how they take dey bake meat pie, fish roll, anything when you want bake. So make you subscribe for this channel.